Most Americans don't realize what's been taken from them. They assume that if a product hurts them, whether it's a car, a device, or a drug, they have the right to sue the manufacturer, to seek justice in court, to tell their story in front of a jury. But that right doesn't apply to one of the most powerful industries in the world, the pharmaceutical industry. If you or someone you love is seriously injured by a vaccine, even one rushed into public use, you can't hold the company responsible. You cannot file a civil lawsuit. You cannot have your day in court, even if the injury is severe, even if it's lifelong, even if it's fatal. That's not just unfair, it's by design. Two laws created this system. Two laws that very few people have ever heard of. The Public Readiness and Emergency Preparedness Act, passed in 2005, and the National Childhood Vaccine Injury Act of 1986. These laws don't just limit your rights, they erase them. They grant complete legal immunity to vaccine manufacturers and pharmaceutical corporations during public health emergencies, and in most cases involving childhood vaccinations. No matter the harm, no matter the evidence. Instead of going to court, the injured are pushed into secretive, government-run tribunals that resemble anything but justice. These compensation programs are slow, complex, and often deny claims, even when medical evidence is strong. The result? Real people with real injuries are left behind, bankrupt, disabled, grieving, and the companies responsible, they walk away without consequence. No courtrooms, no lawsuits, no accountability. Meanwhile, profits skyrocket, stockholders celebrate, and the cycle continues. Americans deserve better. We deserve a legal system that treats every victim with dignity. We deserve the same rights we expect in every other area of consumer protection. And we deserve to know that when something goes wrong, there is a path to justice. That's why a nationwide petition has been launched to repeal both the PrEP Act and the 1986 Vaccine Injury Act. This movement isn't about fear, it's not about conspiracy, it's about accountability. It's about restoring the rule of law. And it's about standing up for those who've been told to sit down and stay silent. If you believe that no corporation should be above the law, if you believe that medical injury victims deserve more than a closed-door payout system, if you believe that truth and justice still matter in this country, then now is the time to act. Sign the petition. Share it with your friends, your family, your representatives. Speak up, because silence is what allowed this to happen in the first place. Justice is not a privilege, it is a right. And rights are worth fighting for. The fight for justice is underway. Add your name, and help us bring accountability back where it belongs. The link will be in the description down below.